Yeah, Alex, we've just got a query about how to clear out the shower. What do you call it? The drain.
Yeah.
Once
so
it
the
gets
trap.
blocked with the shower trapped with hair or.
So what you have is a shower trap. This comes up, then this comes out. So we take that out, and then this comes out, and you can see it's all full of goo. So we take that, and put it down the toilet, put it away. Wash it out. This would be full of hairs and all types of unsavoury things, I'm afraid. So you can't put this down. This is in every shower. Yeah, we didn't invent this.
Yeah.
Every shower needs a trap, so that goes back
You
in.
put the trap in.
That goes back in. Lid back on. Something in your way.
Yeah, and that's it.
That's it.
Oh, that's pretty simple then.
So you want to clean that. The more you clean it, the easier it will be.
The easier the job will be. Yeah.
You know, my wife, for example, has got a massive head of black hair.
Yeah.
You know, and every week as I open it up, I think, God, I wish I had hair like that. Because it is chock-a-block. And there's not a single blonde one of mine in. Well, grey now. One in there.
Okay, that's quite simple. Thank you for that.